Hello, this is Prince George Ford coming at you, and today we're looking at the 2026 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice Oxford white coloring, this vehicle's going to be powered by a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, comes equipped with the black appearance package, tow and haul package, bed utility package, and the FX4 Off-Road Package. Taking a look at the back here, we got rear park sensing, tow hitch receiver, backup camera, tailgate step with mud flaps on the rear and front, gripped running boards, blind spot detection, side view camera, spotlight and turn light indicated, black hood deflector, recovery hooks, front park sensing, recovery hooks again, block heater, front view camera, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look in the back here, we can see this vehicle does save 2.5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, floor mats, carpet interior, plenty of door space in the back. We got cup holders and storage, rear vents, 2 USB-Cs, 120 volt, and a nice split folding rear bench seat. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, powered windows, mirrors, locks. You got your lights, spotlights, tailgate, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is saying 8.3 kilometers. Got this nice leather wrap steering wheel, photography screen, phone and media, volume, voice, cruise control. You got your digital speedometer, RPMs, and my view, or your main menu, which has settings, vehicle maintenance, audio, phone, navigation, status info, towing, off-road, gauges, trip and fuel, and my view. To my right, we got our gear select that is collapsible, storage cup holders, more storage below with some outlets. Got your center console as well, tons of storage. We have 4-wheel drive, drive modes, and rear locking diff, trailer brake, road trailer assist with dual climate up front, heated front seats, 12 volt, 120 storage above, below. On the dash with a lovely powered rear window opener. We got your features for our auto stop assert, hill, traction hazards, and 360 view of the camera, of the vehicle, with different camera angles. And looking here, we have our audio with AM, FM, Bluetooth, Sirius XM. We got your phone controls, your navigation where you can search recent saved, zoom in and out, have your audio open at the same time, fave apps such as messaging, email, any apps you may download will show up right in here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE40084, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.